In this video, you'll learn how to get approved on Wecasa as a service provider. This process involves several key steps, including applying online, obtaining your UTR number, and completing verification requirements. By following this guide, you will understand each step clearly and what is required for a successful application. Begin by applying through the Wecasa website. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL provided for the cleaner sign-up page. Once you reach the site, you will see an application form. Complete all the necessary fields with accurate information about yourself. This includes your name, contact details, and any relevant experience you may have. After filling out the form, ensure you review your entries before submitting. This helps prevent any mistakes that could delay your application. Next, you need to obtain your unique taxpayer reference number, commonly known as your UTR number. To do this, you must create a Gov UK One login account. Visit the official website and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your account is created, register for self-assessment as a sole trader. This registration is essential for your tax obligations. After completing these steps, you will need to wait approximately 10 to 15 days to receive your 10-digit UTR number by post. It is important to keep this number secure, as you will need it later in the application process. Following the receipt of your UTR number, you will enter the verification process. This consists of several checks to confirm your identity and qualifications. Initially, you will undergo an identity verification process. Make sure to have valid identification documents ready. Additionally, a police record check will be conducted to ensure you meet safety standards. Experience verification will occur via a phone call where you may be asked about your background and skills. If you are applying for roles in hairdressing, beauty, or massage, be prepared to provide relevant certifications as proof of your qualifications. Before proceeding to upload your documents, confirm your visa eligibility. You must be eligible for self-employment in the UK. Note that student visas are not accepted for this application, while graduate visas, which are valid for 2 years, will be accepted. Ensure you have the appropriate visa documentation available to support your application. Finally, you will need to upload all required documents through the Wecasa Pro app. Open the app on your device and navigate to the document upload section. Here, you will submit your UTR number along with any other requested documents. It is crucial to double check that all files are clear and legible before uploading, as unclear documents can lead to delays. Once you have uploaded everything, you should receive a confirmation indicating that your documents have been submitted successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.